Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and in this quick episode, we'll be learning the cleanest way to join Paracord. Oftentimes, Paracord projects require us to fuse two strands of paracord together, and normally you would simply cut the ends of your cord to fray them, then melt the ends with your lighter, and then press the molten ends together. Rolling it in between your fingers helps smooth things out a bit as well. So not a bad method, however, you often get this unsightly melted section where the cords are fused together, and it often leaves a bit more to be desired if you want to have a really clean and professional looking product. So with this cleaner method, we're going to cut the ends of one of our cords, then pull the inner guts out slightly and just trim off a small amount. Then pull on the opposite end of the cord to pull those inner cords back in. Then with a lighter, we're just going to seal the frayed end ever so slightly, just by touching the flame to it really quickly. And right after, take your marlin spike and widen the end of that outer sheath of the paracord. Then with the other cord you're joining, cut the end to fray it. Then I'm going to do one more slightly angled cut to narrow the end a bit. Next, with my lighter, I'm going to melt the end, and this time I want to melt it just a bit more to get a decent glob of molten cord on the end. Then very quickly, before it solidifies, insert the molten end into the widened end of the other cord. Once you've done that, working quickly, you can roll the cord in between your fingers, and you've now got a really nice, clean, joined set of cords. So there we have it, Weavers, a very clean way to join your paracord strands. This of course is not the strongest method, that being the mani method. However, I would say that this is arguably the cleanest and neatest way to join a set of cords. So a big shout out to Zipped Up Kits for bringing this method to my attention, who is a great supporter of the channel and also a valued member on Patreon. Speaking of which, a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. If you want access to exclusive tutorials, as well as our Discord server, feel free to check out my Patreon page, link in the video cards as well as down below. You can join for as little as $3 a month. You can also support this channel by liking the video and commenting. Also, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to check out what I have to offer on the rest of my channel.